Have you ever wondered why your feline friend purrs when you stroke her fur? Or why your canine companion loves fetching that tennis ball? Welcome to the fascinating world of pets, where we will delve into understanding our beloved animal companions more deeply. Pets, they are more than just animals. They are our partners in crime, our confidants, our best friends. They bring joy, laughter, and sometimes a bit of chaos into our lives. In return, we provide them with food, shelter, and an abundance of love. But is that all there is to this extraordinary bond? Not quite. Today, we're exploring the science behind why pets do what they do. From purring cats to tail-wagging dogs, from playful rabbits to curious parrots, every action of our pets has a tale to tell. Let's begin with cats. When a cat purrs, it's not just a sign of contentment. Cats also purr when they're nervous or when they're healing from an injury. This is because the low-frequency vibrations produced by purring can promote the healing of bones and reduce swelling. This fact was discovered by scientists in the late 20th century when they noticed that cats often purr when they're in distress. Some even suggest that these vibrations can help to increase the production of growth factors and cytokines, substances that help to reduce inflammation and stimulate healing. Moreover, did you know that cats also use different types of purrs to manipulate their owners? Studies show that cats often mix their purr with a cry-like sound when they want something from their owners, like food. Now, let's move on to dogs. A dog's tail wagging isn't just a sign of happiness. The direction and speed of the wag can tell you a lot about what the dog is feeling. A slow, right-sided wag generally indicates happiness, while a fast left-sided wag could mean the dog is nervous. But that's not all. Dogs also use their tails to spread their scent, as their anal glands secrete pheromones that other dogs can pick up on. This is why you'll often see dogs sniffing each other's tails when they meet. Furthermore, dogs have a special kind of bark for every situation. For instance, a high-pitched repetitive bark could be a sign of fear or anxiety, while a deep, prolonged bark could mean the dog is threatening someone or something. But what about our feathered friends, the birds? Birds are known for their singing, but did you know that each bird song is unique, much like a human fingerprint? They use these songs to communicate with each other, mark their territory, and attract mates. In fact, some birds can even mimic human speech and other sounds. Parrots, for example, are known for their ability to mimic human speech, a trait that has made them popular pets. Moreover, birds also communicate through body language. For example, a bird fluffing up its feathers could be a sign of aggression or fear. And let's not forget about our small furry friends. Rabbits, guinea pigs, and hamsters all have unique ways of communicating too. For example, a rabbit thumping its hind legs is a sign of danger, while a guinea pig's purring can indicate contentment or fear, depending on the situation. Hamsters, on the other hand, use their cheeks to communicate. They stuff their cheeks with food when they're nervous or scared, a behavior that's left over from their wild ancestors who had to store food for times of scarcity. Now, let's dive into the world of aquatic pets. Fish may seem like simple creatures, but they have their own ways of communicating too. For instance, many fish change colors to signal their mood, attract mates, or scare off predators. Betta fish, for example, are known for their vibrant colors and dramatic displays when they're trying to impress a potential mate or intimidate a rival. Moving on to reptiles, they too have unique behaviors. For instance, bearded dragons will wave their arms as a sign of submission, while a gecko will lick its eyes to keep them clean, as they lack eyelids. Lastly, let's not forget about the fascinating world of insects. Ants, for example, communicate using pheromones. They leave a trail of pheromones for other ants to follow when they find a food source. Bees, on the other hand, communicate through a series of dances. The direction and intensity of the dance tell other bees where to find nectar. In the end, our pets are not that different from us. They have their own ways of expressing emotions, and understanding these can help us build a stronger bond with them. To wrap up, we've learned that pets have their own unique ways of communicating. Cats purr for various reasons, from contentment to healing. Dogs wag their tails to express a range of emotions, while birds sing unique songs to communicate. Our small furry pets, fish, reptiles, and even insects have their own unique signals too. So, the next time you're spending time with your pet, pay close attention to their behavior. You might be surprised at what you learn. Remember, understanding our pets is the first step towards providing them with a happy and fulfilling life. Thank you for joining us in this fascinating exploration of our beloved pets. Stay curious and keep exploring the wonderful world of animals.